5 cool facts about the Newfoundland dog. They are excellent swimmers. The Newfoundland dog is known for its exceptional swimming abilities. They have web feet and a thick, waterproof coat that helps them swim long distances in cold water. They were originally bred for water rescue and are often used by lifeguards and search and rescue teams. They are huge. The Newfoundland dog is one of the largest dog breeds in the world. They can weigh up to 150 pounds, 68 kilograms, and stand over 2 feet, 61 centimeters, tall at the shoulder. Despite their size, they are known for being gentle giants and great with kids. They have a strong work ethic. The Newfoundland dog was originally bred as a working dog to help fishermen haul in their nets and retrieve fish from the water. They are known for their strong work ethic and willingness to please their owners. They have a sweet temperament. Newfoundland dogs are known for their sweet, gentle nature. They are often referred to as nanny dogs because of their affectionate and protective nature towards children. They are also great therapy dogs because of their calm and patient demeanor. They have a history with famous figures. The Newfoundland dog has a long history and has been associated with many famous figures. Throughout the years, Napoleon Bonaparte was said to have owned a Newfoundland dog, as did Lewis and Clark during their famous expedition.